In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add goals in Asana. If you're leading a project, managing a team, or just organizing your own priorities, Asana's goals feature gives you a clear place to define what success looks like and when you plan to reach it. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to keep everything clear and actionable. First, open Asana and look to the left side of your screen. In the left sidebar, find and click Goals. This is your dedicated hub for high-level outcomes. If your sidebar looks crowded, remember that Goals sits alongside things like Home, My Tasks, and Projects. Depending on your plan and permissions, you may see organization-wide goals as well as team-level goals here. The main idea is that you're moving from task-level work to the bigger picture. Once you're on the goals page, click the plus new goal button. This creates a fresh goal entry and opens the form where you'll add the essential details. Think of this as giving your team a shared North Star. If you're working within a specific team space, the new goal will be associated with that context, which keeps everything tidy and easy to find later. Now enter a clear, concise goal name and select its owner. For the name, aim for something action-oriented and specific so anyone reading it immediately understands the outcome. Instead of something vague, choose a title that states exactly what you want to achieve. Then pick the owner. The owner is the person or team responsible for driving progress and keeping the goal up to date. Choose someone who has the authority and visibility to coordinate work across projects and who can answer questions about scope and timing. If you're the one accountable, feel free to assign it to yourself so updates and reminders land where they should. Finally, set a due date. This is your target for completion and a key part of keeping momentum. Consider the real-world constraints your team faces, like dependencies, review cycles, and time zones. Align the date with your planning cadence. Many teams choose quarter or half-year endpoints, so reporting stays consistent. Pick a date that's ambitious but realistic, and remember that you can adjust it later if priorities shift. A good due date acts like a motivating checkpoint, not a rigid wall. That's it. You've added a goal in Asana with a clear title, a responsible owner, and a meaningful due date. With this structure, you'll have a reliable place to track progress and keep everyone aligned as work moves forward.